Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram email address. Many Instagram users register with false email or an old email address they no longer use, so that they might want to change it and update on their Instagram. So in this case, you can simply go to your Instagram application and you can edit your profile and easily change your email address. Before jumping right in, if you are not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by typing "Open Instagram application" from your app drawer. And once you reach to the Instagram feed, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Doing this will open up your profile. Now here, tap on Edit Profile from this page, tap on Personal Information Settings, and at the very top, you'll be able to see the Email Address tab. In order to edit your email address, tap on your email address box and replace the email address with the one that you want to change. After you're done, tap on the tick mark at the upper right corner. And just like that, you'll be able to change your email address on Instagram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.